Hey Jackie, you know what? I created my own website with my own server today.
Awesome.
Yeah, and I have like a lot of patterns and I really wanted to try something new. And I
Right.
want to know how do you make this sketch?
Well, this was actually a book.
What? A book?
Mm-hmm.
I cannot see the text here.
Well, let me show you the text.
Huh, okay.
We're gonna take, for example, 5 sentences.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So here we have 5 sentences.
Okay.
I'm a designer.
Mm-hmm.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4 words.
4 words. Okay. Mm-hmm.
So typically here on this visualization, the idea is that 1 word equal 1 pixel
I see.
on our SVG drawing,
Mm-hmm.
right? So 5 words, no, 4 words,
4 pixels?
4 pixel.
Ah.
And so, well, I'm gonna draw a line like that
4 pixels.
of 4 pixel.
Ah.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna take the second sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm gonna turn right.
Mm-hmm.
So that means going down.
Mm-hmm.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And for the next line is a 3 words in a left direction again.
Yeah, so from the past perspective, I'm always turning right. So here I'm gonna turn left and 3. 1, 2, 3. Then 1 word, hop. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ah,
And again for an entire book.
wow. That sounds very logical.
Well, I'm gonna let you implement the details of that. I think it's important to stress here that cutting into sentences and into words, that's gonna be one of the challenge. And here's something that doesn't look so difficult, but to think about is what does that mean to turn right? In which direction do you draw?
I'm gonna think about this thing and come up with something for sure.
I'm sure, I'm confident you're gonna make it.
Ah, yes, I think so. Thank you.
See
Thank
you.
Jackie. See you. Bye.
Bye.